Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about writing an equation in point-slope form given the slope and a point. Question states, a line passes through the point 5, -7 and has a slope of -1/2. Write an equation in point-slope form for this line. So the specific form that we're looking for is point-slope form, which looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where we need a point and we need a slope for point-slope form. Point is x1, y1 here, and your slope is m, just like our other lines. We're told that this line passes through the point 5, -7. So that means our point x1, y1 is 5, -7. And then we're told we have a slope of -1/2. So what we do is we take our point and our slope and we just plug them straight in. Y minus y1, which is the y value of our point, is a -7. Now why did I put that in parentheses? Because I have a minus here, right? And I need to make sure I keep those solid. And then m is -1/2. Then we have x minus x1, which is 5. Now I can simplify this a little to go y plus 7 equals -1/2 times x minus 5. That's point-slope form, and that's all I need to do for this topic.